proof of this everlasting friendship. The CPAC, we believe, is a vision of this friendship, is proof of this friendship. The asset that Pakistan has, one of the greatest assets that this country has, is its geography. And I think CPAC connects very well with that asset. We have to make it successful. A long time has passed. We are seeing progress which is slow. We would hope that we are going to speed it up. The proof that we all are interested in this project, the proof that we have a great friendship between the two countries, lies in the fact that today all the political parties are present only because of your presence here and because you invited us. I would like to say that friendship with China is the pivot of our foreign policy. It is the pivot, and the pivot means that it is the basic foundation, which is unshakable, and we'll always stand by our commitments with you. And most important for us is elimination of poverty. Your Excellency has said that we need three fundamentals: reform, development, and stability. We also believe that these are the three elements that we need to work on. And in terms of stability, this country, yes, we need stability against terrorism, we need political stability, we need understanding and cooperation. And we, on the platform of CPAC, at least, are willing and ready for national causes to be of full assistance. We believe in the rule of law, and I think that for business, the most essential aspect is that there must be rule of law in existence, which means that the courts have to function independently, which means that contracts have to be honored, which means that commitments have to be fulfilled. And redress to the courts has to be effective and speedy. So we need to work on that basis. When I've had meetings with many of you independently, especially your visiting business communities, this is the most important thing they have stressed. And we believe that your first part, reform, includes reform of law also. In terms of what we stand for, I'm sure that your visit here is going to be lucrative. The smiles that you see are genuine, and you should enjoy our hospitality while you are here as well.
It is my honor to address